Hey, welcome to this channel. Today we will talk about the analysis of the coal. Basically, what is analysis of the coal? Analysis of the coal is a determination of the content in a coal. Means what is present and by how much percentage it is present in the coal. The analysis of the coal is basically of two types: proximate analysis and ultimate analysis. Today we will talk about ultimate analysis of the coal. Okay, so ultimate analysis consists of the determination of carbon, percentage of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and sulfur and ash by direct analytical method as applied in the organic compounds. So first, how we will determine the carbon and the hydrogen? 1 to 2 gram of accurately weighed coal sample is burned in the combustion apparatus, and the carbon is converted into CO2 and the hydrogen is converted into H2O, and the gaseous product of CO2 are absorbed respectively are absorbed in KOH, and the gaseous product of H2O are absorbed in CaCl2 tubes of known weight. The increase in the weights and their the increase in the weights of there are then determined. So the reaction will be in the tube 2 KOH plus CO2 will make K2CO3 plus H2O, and CaCl2 plus 7H2O will give CaCl2 plus 7H2O. So how we will determine the percentage of the carbon? The percentage of the carbon will be determined by the formula increase in weight of KOH tube into 12 into 100 upon weight of coal sample taken into 44. We have taken the known weight of KOH tube. So how much it has been increased? So how increase you will get increased by final minus initial weight into 12 upon into 100 upon weight of coal sample taken. How the weight you have taken for the coal sample to determine into 44, and the percentage of hydrogen will be calculated as increase in the weight of the CaCl2 tube into 2 into 100 upon weight of coal sample taken into 18. You know the weight of the CaCl2 tube before absorption of H2O gas. So the increase you will find by final minus initial and into 2 into 100 upon weight of coal sample taken into 18. Now second, nitrogen. Nitrogen is basically measured by Zelda's method. About 1 gram of gram of coal is heated with concentrated H2SO4 along with K2SO4, which is act as a catalyst in the Zelda's flask. And when the solution becomes clear, it is treated with KOH, and liberated ammonia is distilled over and absorbed in a known volume of standard acid solution. Then the unused acid is determined back by the titration with the standard NaOH, and from the volume of acid used by NS3 liberated, the percentage of nitrogen in a coal can be calculated. So how the formula for the percentage of nitrogen is volume of acid used into normality into 1.4 upon weight of coal taken. Now sulfur. Sulfur is determined by washing obtained from known mass of coal, means which is used in a bomb calorimeter for determination of calorific value. The sulfur which is converted into sulfate, and the washings are treated with BaCl2 barium chloride solution, and where BaSO4 is precipitated, and this PPT is filtered, washed, and heated to constant weight. So the percentage of sulfur will be determined by weight of BaSO4 obtained into 32 into 100 upon 233 into weight of coal taken in a bomb calorimeter. Okay. So ash determination is basically is the same as we have carried out in the proximate analysis. So I will just give you a backup how we have carried out in the proximate analysis. The residual coal is heated in a muffle furnace at 700 to 50 degrees Celsius for half hour, and then the crucible is taken out, and it is first cooled in air, and then it is cooled in desiccator and weighed. Then the percentage of ash can be determined as weight of ash left upon weight of coal taken into 100. So now lastly, we have to determine the oxygen. We have determined all the other contents of the coal. So the percentage of oxygen can be determined by 100 minus percentage of carbon plus hydrogen plus nitrogen plus sulfur plus ash. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.